Now let's see the next technique, that is squaring of numbers ending with 5. Okay, this is again a special rule. It's only possible for numbers ending with 5, like 15, 25, 35, 45, 95. You can even go beyond 100, like 105, 225, 875, 995, any number ending with 5. Okay, let's first start with small numbers. Okay, now how much is 15 square? Just like the previous concept, like I've taught you how to square numbers ending with 1, right? There the logic is all the numbers ending with 1, the squares end with 1. Similarly, for all the numbers ending with 5, the squares always end with 25. So that's the beauty. They always end with 25 only. They don't end with 75, 65, 35 and 45. They always end with 25 only. Okay. Now, if you can just focus on this, 15 square is 15 into 15, something like this, okay? You all remember in the concept of multiplication, I taught you one special type multiplication. Tens place same, units adding to 10. We apply the same technique here, okay? So, that sutra is called as a ekadikena purvena, one more than the previous number. So, what we have to do here is, you know that the logic that all the numbers ending with 5, the squares end with 25. Now, focus on the left number, take 1. What is the next number in sequence after 1? It is 2. So just multiply 1 into 2. You get 2 and just write 25 after the number, and that's the answer. Now let's pause at one more example, something like this. How much is 25 square? Now focus on the left number, not the right number, okay? What's the number here? 2. What is the immediate next number after 2? It is 3. Multiply 2 times 3, you get 6. And then blindly write 25 after the number, that's it. So when you square 25, you get 625. If you get 35 square, okay, immediate next number after 3 is 4. 3 times 4 is 12, and blindly write 25 after number, so 35 square is 1225. If you get 45 square, so can you guess the answer for this? So 4, immediate next number is 5. 4 times 5 is 20, and the answer always ends with 25. That's only for 5, okay? Number ending with 5, okay? Now, can you guess the answer for 65 square? 65 square, can you guess the answer? You can answer in a jiffy. 6 next number is 7. 6 times 7 is 42, and then just write 25 after number. So, 65 square is 4225. Can you guess the answer for 85 square? Yeah, 85 square. 8, immediate next number is 9. 8 times 9 is 72, and then write 25 after number. Similarly, can you guess the answer for 95 square? Now, 9, immediate next number is 10. Multiply 9 times 10. You get 90, and just write 25 after number. That's the answer. Okay, now we'll extend this to even bigger numbers beyond 90, like 100 and above. Okay, now let's postulate an example like how much is 105 whole square? So, number here is 10. Multiply, what is the next number after 10? 11. 10 into 11. 10 11s are 110. And then just write 25 after number, and that's the answer. Okay, now let's go for even bigger numbers. Something like this. How much is 145 whole square? So multiply 14 into 15. If you have mastered the triple into triple multiplication method, it becomes a child's play for you. So you all remember, if you did not learn that, go back in the concepts of multiplication, teens into teens. If you can see that, you can answer this in a jiffy. So 14 into 15, you get 210. That's it, see? You can answer that in a jiffy, okay? And then 5 square is 25. Okay. So if you get a bigger number, something like this. How much is 245 whole square? Now 24 next number is 25. 24 times 25 is 600. Now, maybe you are like, sir, how did you write so fast? 24 times 25 is 600. I have taught you any number multiplied by 25. Do you all remember? 1 by 4, yes. So, 4 goes in 24 6 times exactly, no remainder. So, double 0. And then put 25 after number. So, 245 square is 625. Okay, now let's go for next one. How much is 325 whole square? Multiply 32 into 33. You can apply the crisscross method which I taught you in the double into double crisscross multiplication method. Okay, 3 square is 9, 9 plus 6 is 15, 3 2 are 6, 6 5, 1056 you got. That's it, see, just about 5 seconds. And then just blindly write 25 after number, so 105625. So, one more example. Let's take a number something like this. How much is 645 whole square? So multiply 64, next number 65. You can, if you mastered that x into, like, double into double crisscross multiplication method, you can get this answer in just about 5 seconds. Okay, so 6 square is 36, 30 plus 24 is 54, 5 4 is 20, 0 6 and 4 1. That's it. So you get 4160. So just write 25 after number. So when you square 645, you get 416025. So using this technique, okay, like the ekadikena purvena, we can also square numbers ending with